Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an amazing transformation, taking these seemingly useless batteries and revealing how their core elements can be repurposed into something truly remarkable. I'm carefully selecting a few to work with for our project today. I'm using a utility knife to make cuts in the middle of the battery pack. The goal here is to remove all the outer wrapping to expose the metal casing of each cell, preparing them for the next stage of extraction. I'm now placing a pot on my induction cooktop and turning it on. I'm putting the batteries into the pot. I'm using tongs to carefully turn the batteries in the pan to ensure they heat evenly. The idea is to gently heat the batteries, which makes them much easier to remove and also heats the graphite powder inside the batteries. Now I'll take the battery out and start removing it. Using the pliers, I'm now carefully prying open the battery casing to expose the inner graphite rod and the black powdery material. The goal is to extract these specific components, as they are crucial for our DIY project. With a utility knife, I'm scoring around the metal casing of the battery. This helps to weaken the seam, allowing me to fully separate the outer casing from the internal structure. I will repeat this process with the remaining batteries. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Here I have some empty metal casings and a clear plastic cup. The cup will be where I collect the black material from inside the batteries. This material is what we're really after. I'm using the pliers to break apart the inner black material from one of the battery cells, letting it fall into the plastic cup. And now, I'm doing the same for the remaining batteries, ensuring all the black inductive paste is collected in our cup. You can see how much material we get from just a few batteries. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With our black powder collected, I'm now adding some dish soap to the mixture. This acts as a binder and helps create a smooth, spreadable paste. I'm using a generous amount to ensure good consistency. Using a toothbrush, I'm thoroughly mixing the dish soap and the black powder. I want to make sure there are no dry clumps and that the mixture is uniform, like a thick paint. Next, I'm adding a bit of WD-40 to our mixture. This will enhance the protective and lubricating properties of our paste, making it even more effective for its intended purpose. I'm giving the mixture a final, thorough stir to ensure the WD-40 is completely incorporated. This consistency is perfect. You can see this old wheelbarrow is quite rusty and faded. This is a perfect test for our homemade paste. I'm applying the paste generously to the wheel using my mixing stick. I'm spreading it evenly, making sure to cover all the rusty and dull areas. You can already see it transforming the surface as I go. This paste creates a protective layer and brings back the deep black color. This step polishes the wheel, revealing the incredible shine and protection our paste provides. Look at the difference. This wheelbarrow will look brand new, fully restored and protected, all thanks to a simple DIY hack using batteries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.